Okay, this is my iMAC. As you can see, it says memory 2 GB of 800 megahertz. It has two slots, 1 and 1 GB. Here, as you can see, memory 1 and 1. And now let's try to change. This is my iMac 2008. 24-inch. It is the iMac with the 3.6 gigahertz. And let's upgrade the RAM. It has 2 GB of RAM, 2 slots, 1 GB each from each. And here I got 2 GB each of SD RAM, 800 Hertz. And let's change it. You can see it has a screw. You can. Okay, here I have my tool, and we unscrew here. As you can see, screwing it like this. And now we just remove, and you can see here. This is from here. It is the 1 GB each SD RAM, and we just cut this too. As you can see, it has a lot of dust because I have never upgraded, and is a pretty old iMac. So you just pull this up, and it just came out. Oh, it's from Samsung. Okay, let's remove the other one. And now you can. Here we got the 1 GB, and here the 2 GB. So we're gonna upgrade it. Here are both. So let's put in the 2 GB. Be sure that it's complete inside. Okay, and then let's update the second slot. You have to do a little pressure. Okay, it's in. Now we just screw this back again, and we are ready. RAM, and here it is, 4 GB of 800 megahertz DDR2 SD RAM. Here it is.